Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Molly. Molly, Molly, Molly. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I heard Molly is throwing a party this weekend. In this context, Molly is a name of a person who is likely planning or hosting a social gathering or event such as a party. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.